I'm going to share my favorite essential oils that have really helped me find calm during tough times. And I can't wait for you to try them out too. Did you know that over 260 million people worldwide suffer from anxiety and depression? These numbers are staggering, and it's time we explore natural ways to combat this crisis. Today, we're on an aromatic journey to discover how essential oils can calm the storm within. Whether you're a seasoned aroma lover or a curious newbie, let's explore how these potent plant extracts can transform your mood and mental well-being. Stick around for a game-changing tip at the end that you won't want to miss. The challenges faced by individuals dealing with anxiety and depression can be overwhelming and multifaceted. For starters, anxiety often manifests as persistent worry, fear, and restlessness, which can severely disrupt daily life. People with anxiety may experience symptoms ranging from racing thoughts and insomnia to physical symptoms like rapid heartbeat and excessive sweating. Depression, on the other hand, often brings a suffocating sense of hopelessness, fatigue, and a lack of motivation, potentially leading to isolation and inactivity. These conditions create a vicious cycle, making it hard for individuals to function effectively in their personal and professional lives. Traditional treatments, like medication and therapy, play a crucial role in managing these conditions. However, they might not be a complete solution for everyone. Some individuals experience side effects from medications like fatigue, weight gain, or emotional dullness. Access to therapy can also be a barrier, given cost, availability, or stigma surrounding mental health treatment. Hence, there is a significant demand for alternative or complementary solutions that offer relief without the unwanted side effects, leading many to explore the realm of essential oils. These potent plant extracts offer a promising natural approach in alleviating symptoms. They offer a way to harness the power of nature to foster a sense of peace and calm, with many embracing them in daily rituals such as diffusing oils, topical application, or including them in self-care routines. The appeal lies in their potential to cause little harm while offering the possibility of significant benefits, making essential oils a viable consideration in holistic mental health strategies. And hey, before we get too relaxed, remember to hit that subscribe button. We've got a treasure trove of wellness wonders to share, and we wouldn't want you to miss out. Let's delve into 5 specific essential oils known for their remarkable potential in mitigating anxiety and depression. 1. Lavender oil. Lavender oil is often deemed the crown jewel for mental well-being. Its calming properties are renowned, with studies, like one published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, highlighting its ability to reduce anxiety symptoms and improve sleep quality. Lavender works by modulating neurotransmitters associated with mood, essentially tipping the balance in favor of relaxation. To incorporate lavender into your routine, try diffusing it in your bedroom before sleep, or applying it onto your pillow to encourage restful slumber. 2. Bergamot oil. Bergamot oil stands out with its invigorating citrus aroma. Often used as a top note in fragrances, it's more than just a pleasant scent. Research published in Phytotherapy Research suggests bergamot has promising anxiety-lowering properties. It stimulates the release of dopamine and serotonin, the feel-good hormones, providing uplift in depressive states. Try adding a few drops to an aroma diffuser or mixing it with a carrier oil for a revitalizing massage treatment. 3. Chamomile oil. When people hear chamomile, many think of tea as a sleep aid, but the essential oil also boasts unique properties for reducing anxiety. Clinical trials have suggested chamomile oil can significantly reduce symptoms of generalized anxiety disorder. The key lies in its natural ability to bind to GABA receptors in the brain, promoting calmness. Use chamomile oil in baths or as steam inhalation for soothing effects. 4. Ylang-ylang oil. Originating from tropical Asia, ylang-ylang oil brings both an exotic scent and notable therapeutic benefits. An aromatic powerhouse, studies have shown ylang-ylang can decrease blood pressure and regulate heart rate. These physical changes emphasize its potential calming effect, worthy of stress relief regimens. For best results, apply a diluted drop onto pulse points or use it with a diffuser to envelop a space in tranquility. 5. Clary sage oil. Finally, clary sage oil is emerging as a powerful contender. Research, particularly focused on its antidepressant-like effects, underscores its ability to improve mood through hormonal balancing. This stability is invaluable for both men and women. Integrate clary sage into your regimen by inhaling it directly. or incorporating it into shampoos and lotions for everyday upliftment. As holistic health practices gain traction, essential oils are perfectly positioned to enhance mental well-being. Treat these methods as supplemental. Though powerful in support, they're best used alongside professional treatments for anxiety and depression. To truly sense the transformative power of essential oils, let's explore a remarkable case study. Meet Samantha, a dynamic executive working tirelessly in a high-stress corporate environment. Her peers saw her as the embodiment of success, yet inside, anxiety was her constant shadow. Her sleepless nights rolled into restless days, feeding a cycle she sought to break. Samantha's journey with essential oils began tentatively. Intrigued yet skeptical, she decided to experiment with lavender oil. She started simply, placing a few drops in her room diffuser before bedtime. To her surprise, she experienced more restful sleep within days, a ripple effect spilling into her waking hours. Less fatigue meant a clearer mind for conquering daytime stresses. Encouraged, Samantha introduced bergamot oil for its daytime benefits. A few drops on her desk diffuser altered the aura of her workspace, fostering an uplifting atmosphere. In moments of intense meetings, a discreet inhalation from a personalized rollerball offered immediate peace. The transition was not an overnight phenomenon, but gradual and rewarding. As anxiety softened its grip, Samantha realized she was experiencing fewer panic episodes. Conversations once avoided were engaged with newfound courage and optimism. The essential oils were a sensory gateway, anchoring her in moments still reachable amidst chaos. Moreover, Samantha didn't hoard these newfound insights. Advocating in team environments, she crafted essential oil blends for coworkers, building a community built on shared wellness exploration. It was no longer about personal relief. Collective energy was being nurtured in embracing authenticity over appearances. While essential oils weren't exclusive recovery solutions for Samantha, they were potent allies complementing her broader treatment for anxiety. Experts emphasize this point. The oils can supplement, but not replace, proven medical strategies. Though anecdotes like Samantha's resound worldwide, always consult with healthcare professionals for guidance tailored to individual needs. This story is not just Samantha's. It illustrates the potential domino effect when aligning with nature's bounty. Her success narrative sits among many, reflecting the unassuming power unlocked by incorporating essential oils into health routines. Explore and embrace this potential yourself. And don't forget, balance is the ultimate goal. Ready to dive even deeper? Be sure to stick around for that special tip coming up. One more secret to elevate your essential oil journey. To sum up, essential oils like lavender, bergamot, chamomile, ylang-ylang, and clary sage can be natural allies in the fight against anxiety and depression. Integrating these into your self-care regimen could be your next step toward a serene state of mind. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional when combining new wellness strategies with existing treatments. Tell us about your experiences with essential oils in the comments below. If you're new to this fragrant realm or a seasoned pro, we want to hear your stories. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more insights into holistic wellness. Until next time, breathe deep and enjoy your journey toward tranquility.